Mr. Sandman, bring me a dream. Make him the cutest that I
Look on yellow still, Tiz.
give him two lips like roses and
Down.
then tell him that his lonesome nights are pussy.
Hit a lick with a bitch from the bayou. Make sure the pussy ball no Caillou. Hadouken your ass like I'm Ryu. I'll splash on your ass like an eye chapstick on my lip and I'm looking like a bitch. I had a couple kids, but I threw them in a ditch. For the ice on my wrist, no a dyke with a whip. We can take four spin every rapper for 10. I've been fucking
Hey,
bitches
okay.
in my minivan. I've been flipping switches cause I know I can. And post my shit on Pinterest, cop a couple fans. And I hope that y'all listening cause I'm going ham. I've been doing coke, no cola. Gotta get the fucking white. I hit her on my Motorola short and one.
Have it dead.
I'm sick as fuck, but no, he's better than 30 man. My fucking Sprite and I got game, no control. Been cooking up like Walter White. Left, right, uppercut. Stupid, something nuts. Up, down, A, bitch, what? Run it up, run it up, run it up, run it up. Left, right, uppercut. Stupid, suck on somebody nuts. Up, down, A, bitch, what? Run it up, run it up, run it up, run it up. Get it when I get it, but I had to go and get it. So I copped a couple things to get my rocks off, eh? Get it when I fuck her, but I had to go and fuck her. So I did that shit quick with my socks on, eh? This and that, the back and forth. It's so much work like playing sports, so fuck the whore. I did my time, I lost my mind. She hot as fuck like lemon lime, still wanted more.
Pull up with a bitch and I'ma show her I'm a king. Gonna pick her up, gonna give the bitch a ring. Psych dude, I don't like you, don't wanna hit you, not my boo. But we watching TV, got a BD like a big dick. See these nuts, but it gotta be PG. Water dripping like Fiji. But when you wanna smash, I'm
I'm
DTF.
backseat, pimpin' with a hoe, and she on my dick. $100,000 in my pocket, now it's on my wrist. I'm backseat, pimpin' with a hoe, pass her to the click. $100,000 in my pocket, now it's on my wrist.
Ash dead. It's really awkward. BB dead.
Oh my god!
Is that 4K?
Yep.